Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Coinbase widget to iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the home page where you want to add the widget, just like this. After that, keep on tapping on the screen, just like this. Then here you can see the app is now jiggling. Now tap onto the edit button at the top left corner right here, just like this. Then here you can find the option of add widget. Simply tap on it. Then tap onto the search bar and type Coinbase and tap on it. Then here you can find the widget. This one is the smaller one, this one is the bigger one, just like this. Now simply choose one and tap on to add widget. Now you can see the widget has been added. Then tap on to done. And that's it. This is how you can add the Coinbase widget to iPhone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.